You're working very hard, you wake up very early, you are there struggling, and then one or two individuals who have commercialized this exercise give us a bad name. We want to clean this sector. We want this sector to be hygienic. We want us to do the right things, yeah, because it is for posterity. So I want to thank you guys. You're doing a good job, and I want to assure you, like you've been informed, where you face a challenge, please escalate it, because we are there to resolve those challenges. We are willing and able to support, and where we need to escalate it even further, we'll do it, just to ensure that the right thing is done. So thank you so much, and I don't want to take a lot of time. I'm with you. I'm going to work with you. I'm going to support you. But similarly, when you we find that you've done something wrong, be sure that I will be on the other side.